Bob, wildfire, I think that's on everyone's mind,
Yeah.
but to be careful this weekend.
Right.
If you're,
You don't know how dangerous it is. You know,
Right.
it's not like a hurricane or tropical storm where you got, several days to plan for it.
No
Usually
kidding.
you kind of
Yeah.
see it, but a fire can start like that and
Yep.
spread very rapidly, especially in the dry conditions we've seen. So you don't have much time to get out if it gets out of hand. We are looking at beautiful photos sent in tonight. Again, a beautiful sunset as we start the weekend. This from Sapphire Shores and this one from David, or David, if you will. Appreciate that. Here's another shot you see right there. This is from Alan Mitchell, and this one just as the sun was going below the horizon. There are a lot of folks out there checking it out. And from Lido, Cheryl, getting a nice shot. Appreciate all those photos. Keep them coming to pics at mysuncoast.com. Good news on the red tide front. You know, we've heard about the manatees that died as a result of the heavy red tide, and right now, not a problem. In fact, we were into the high and medium categories for the last several months, but now just very low to not present from Manatee County southward all the way down into Charlotte County, and that's as of today. Temperatures right now across the area, upper 60s to low 70s, I should say, 74 now in Inglewood. Northport at 72, Mayaca City at 69 degrees, 68 in Sebring. And this storm system right now moving through parts of Missouri into Arkansas as well as into Oklahoma. This is a low pressure area which will track to the southeast and eventually sweep a cold front our way. Now some of the moisture that you see down south into Cuba and the Florida Straits will work its way up northward and then be in place as the front moves through. We're not looking for a widespread rain event, but we will see some beneficial rains, I think, especially inland areas. Unfortunately, some of that could come in terms of lightning, and lightning can start fires even a day after the storms move on through. The heaviest potential for lightning will be to the north of us, but there is a chance here as well over the upcoming 48 hours. So we'll see that here with a few scattered storms. The severe weather, it doesn't appear that we're going to get any of that, but they will see some potential across the southeast as that storm system makes its way down into the deep south. 69 right now, the dew point 62. Winds are out of the east northeast at 3, and the pressure 30 inches even. And you have to be advised that where those fires occurred, there's a lot of particulate matter in the atmosphere. This in combination with temperatures falling down near the dew point, you could see some fog forming in patchy areas, especially thick where the fires had been. 88 degrees the high today, well above the average, close to a record. 91 the record high. No rainfall reported for the year. We're over 7.5 inches below average. Look for a little bit more cloudiness around tomorrow. There is still a chance for a few showers too at about 20%. The better chance for rain comes Sunday, and it looks like that'll be later in the day. And most of that should be inland, but we will see a few coastal showers as well. This is the forecast model showing that moisture kind of working its way northward, and then here comes the front, and the two shall meet, looks like late Sunday and Monday, and that will bring us a chance for showers even near the coast. But the heaviest part of the rainfall will be into central Florida, moving off toward the east coast Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Well, what's left of Arlene is still spinning out there in the Atlantic, but it's no longer a tropical system. It has been absorbed by another low pressure area and moving off to the east. Some rain now in Ohio, into Kentucky, Tennessee, some bigger storms into Missouri tonight, and Oklahoma has had their fair share of some heavy rainfall, and even getting some snowfall into Wyoming, Montana, even some of the higher elevations in Colorado, getting some snow and rain mix. For boaters, tomorrow looks pretty good, light chop on the bays and inland waters, winds out of the southeast, turning to the southwest. Water temperature warming up, 77 degrees, and tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay look like this. The low tide will be at 11:06 tomorrow morning, and the forecast tonight, partly cloudy and a low of 65. Tomorrow, some sunshine and then increasing clouds throughout the day, a high of 85. The extended forecast does call for a 40% chance for rain on Sunday, a little bit more cloudiness around, a little bit cooler on Monday and Tuesday. As the front works through, it will turn breezy, and temperatures will get back to near seasonal averages beginning the work week.